out the car.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
Trash. Oh shoot.
I need y'all out the car. This one in a lifetime. I'm probably not gonna do this again.
Dang, it's so dark. Can't see ya.
Huh?
Can't see ya. It's dark.
We out here being demons. 2 demons. Or 3 demons. That boy loud too. That sound like a Dyson vacuum.
What sound like a Dyson vacuum?
Dyson vacuum? I got mine too though. Because you know when we hit that tone, man, it's just gonna echo. That's the whole point. Yeah. Boy, that boy might.
What's that? God dang. My ear hurts so bad. You know, my left ear is deaf. No, this man, maybe you shouldn't. What's wrong with him? This man talking about he got bubble guts. Ooh. My ear hurt. Ooh.
I just had to get it out the way, y'all.
Alright, Sedgwick. Can't even see nothing. It's so dark.
You'll have to see. I wouldn't even be able to explain it. Oh, my e-brake don't work. You did that for no reason.
What the heck?
Just get a video of me swinging. Dump, gas, then brake.
So pretty much same thing like when you just taking off fast when you want to do a burnout.
And what gears you in?
I was in first.
The whole time?
Yeah.
And what was your RPM doing?
It was like it go up, go down. You just gotta get the gas when it starts going down.
No, for real.
That ain't gonna fit in his car. Look at this. We already got junk in there. This little old trunk.
That was my trunk space.
Oh. It barely fit.
That's because of the mats.
Ooh, losing trim and everything. See what? You was coming here by yourself. Where's you gonna put that?
Passenger seat.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna fold my seat down.
You gotta do all this. See, my car, you could literally just.
Put Mac in the way.
Dude, that's so cool.
You
don't
do
do that?
that. probably do that. Look, Miata. Why they suck?
I had no vision.
Now we're at Spirit. Spirit with rain. Why did you almost run into a curb?
Because I was trying to fix my windshield wipers. They're broken.
You should have seen that.
I seen it.
No,
You
him.
I know, but
He
you
should've seen
seen me swerve over.
Yeah, and I beeped my horn because what?
You
Should've
beat your
seen
horn.
what?
Not y'all beating up the cars.
Maybe I'll put teeth on mine.
Bro, I seen dude fucking dancing. I'm like,
Who was
what is he
dancing?
dancing for? But he was telling me to rev it.
Oh.
Do me a favor, stick your finger in between my trunk while I close it.
That don't even sound safe. Why you ain't just put tape on the inside part?
Oh yeah.
That's dumb as hell. Yeah. We don't got regular tape. Oh, this ain't gonna stick to the. Matter of fact, you might as well just go ahead. Halfway process. Okay. That's nice. Okay.
I have so much more to go.
Yeah, you do. Faith said she need help.
Everything. I got more to go.
Shoot, who you telling I got 4 doors? Stressing out. Halfway.